This is the trading review for Tuesday, the last day of the month of January 2023. And it was a good day for me. The market was actually very choppy today. I took a trade on Meta, and we actually reversed nicely from R4. That would have been the winning trade. But it happened with um, but I didn't have enough information on the level 2 to take it, the R4 reversal within the first 1 minute candle. But it would have been beautiful. Uh, the entry maybe of 20 cents. It was nice, but I think it will have gotten me stopped out. Either way, I was waiting patiently. We were chopping all over the board. We attempted to break out, failed, but the level 2 wasn't very clear. So I just waited and waited, and we struggled for a bit between R3 and R4, and we got a very nice bearish signal with the moving averages, and we formed this triangle on Meta as well, on the 1 minute, and I was very tempted to make an entry at the drop of B web, but I decided against it because it's not my strategy. So I waited for confirmation for R3. So once we dropped to R3, I saw that we closed this 5 minute candle very bearish. I actually waited, and once we rejected, we formed this candle. I made my entry with a stop loss at 166, 167, which gave me an R size of 160 of 17 cents, and it was a bit not in anticipation, but it was very my instincts told me that I needed to wait for some form of pullback, but we already had a very strong period of pullbacks and consolidations and distribution and all of that stuff that's just choppiness. So after we broke down from this, I knew that it was just gonna drop because everyone that was trying to push this higher was gonna be proven wrong. So that's the moment we made my entry using this area, and we got volume on this candle, which made me happy. And then we dropped to 3R, where I took my first partial, and then I took another partial at 6R, 7R, and I ended the day at 3R, almost close to 3R on this partial. I could have gotten all out here for a 4R day, but I wanted to follow my rules, and then we pulled back strongly, and I decided to add to my position with a stop loss of the 20 moving average. We almost had a nice push down. I could have taken out the shares for 30 cents, but I decided to hold it. I was just trying to follow my rules. Didn't work that, and so I got out at just below break even for a profit of 3R. So I am very happy with the day. I ended up at a little bit more than 3R actually. Yeah, 3.1. So very happy with this trade, and MU just there was no area for me to go in really, so I avoided it. I was also looking at GM. I think GM might have done something nice. Yeah, GM actually touched R4 and broke out to the top side, and now just achieved value at this area, and that's gonna be like that for the rest of the day. So yeah, not a lot of volatility in the stocks I was watching. So we'll see what happens. I think Meta and Tesla. Well, I don't know about Tesla, but Meta for sure is gonna have an outside day tomorrow because the price action today was very tight. So we might have a breakout, either up or down. Either way, it was very nice trading today. Uh, I'm so happy that finally today worked out. This was an R3 to an street reverse strategy, which is strategy A. So this was our strategy. Yes. We won and we got 3R. No comments whatsoever. So perfectly executed. We tried to add, didn't work, but when it works, it's gonna be very rewarding. So I'm very happy about that. Today, I only took high quality setups. I was a bit nervous, but I was very patient and I acted when I had to. So I'm very happy about today. And that's it. I think that's the close for the month. So I'll see what happens. I'll analyze this month. There is not much to analyze in terms of profits. Because I'm not taking profits, but I will think about everything that I did when it came to process and things like that. So that's it for my trading review.